Okay, in today's video I wanted to show you an instructional video on how to apply an NAD Iontophoresis patch. Now these patches actually administer NAD using an electrical gradient, and it's called Iontophoresis, and that patch has a positive side and a negative side, and this patch uses a battery to create that electrical gradient. This is the NAD medication right here. I'm going to apply it liberally to the patch on the positive side here, and you want to make sure that the patch is filled with medication so that you don't see any white part. Okay, now that the medication has been applied to the patch, I'm going to clean the area of application. I chose my forearm as the best place to put the patch. Now you just want to remove the film backing from the patch, and you're going to apply it to the desired area of application. And trust me, it is not easy to get these things off. You just want to be careful that you don't let the patch stick it to itself. Okay, now we're going to apply the patch to the forearm area. And you want to make sure that you press firmly so that the patch is secured to the forearm area. And then once you apply the patch, you're going to lift open the last tab and pull the battery tab out.